The path to success, to becoming millionaires, is not an easy one, but with unwavering determination, unrelenting effort, and the application of 6 fundamental principles, you can transcend your circumstances and carve a path to financial prosperity that will forever change the trajectory of your lives. Principle 1: Vision and Purpose. The first principle that will set you on the path to becoming a millionaire is to cultivate a clear vision and purpose. Successful individuals have always started with a vision, a dream that becomes the driving force behind their actions. As teenagers, you have the unique advantage of time to explore your interests, experiment with ideas, and discover what truly resonates with your heart and soul. Dream big, aim high, and don't be afraid to envision the life you desire. This vision will be your guiding light through challenges and setbacks. Principle 2: Continuous learning and adaptability. The second principle is an unwavering commitment to continuous learning and adaptability. In the ever-evolving landscape of today's world, knowledge is power. The ability to adapt and learn from your experiences is invaluable. Be curious, embrace new technologies, stay updated on industry trends, and invest in your personal growth. Remember, each failure is a stepping stone towards success, as long as you learn from it and adapt accordingly. Principle 3: Hard work and persistence. Success is not handed out, it's earned through hard work and persistence. The third principle is a firm dedication to putting in the effort required to achieve your dreams. Overnight success stories are often built upon years of behind-the-scenes toil and sweat. Embrace the challenges, stay committed to your goals, and keep pushing forward even when faced with adversity. Your persistence will set you apart from the crowd and propel you toward your millionaire status. Principle 4: Financial literacy and smart investments. To become a millionaire, you must master the art of financial literacy and make smart investments. This fourth principle is crucial in managing and growing your wealth. Understand the power of compound interest, learn about different investment vehicles, and make informed decisions about where to allocate your resources. Financial education is not a luxury, it's a necessity on your journey to becoming a millionaire. Remember, the money you save and invest today will shape your financial freedom tomorrow. Principle 5: Innovation and problem solving. The fifth principle is to embrace innovation and hone your problem-solving skills. The world rewards those who bring fresh perspectives and solutions to the table. As teenagers, you have a unique advantage in approaching problems with creativity and ingenuity. Identify the challenges in your community, in society, and in the world, and brainstorm innovative ways to address them. The ability to solve problems is not only a lucrative skill, but also a way to leave a lasting impact on the world around you. Principle 6: Network and collaboration. Last but not least, the sixth principle is building a strong network and fostering collaboration. The journey to becoming a millionaire is not solitary. It's a collective effort that requires the support and collaboration of like-minded individuals. Surround yourself with mentors, peers, and partners who share your ambitions and values. Networking opens doors to opportunities you might not have discovered on your own. Remember, a diverse network brings diverse perspectives, enriching your journey toward success. Advantages of embracing these principles. Now you might wonder, what advantages do these principles hold? Let me shed light on the benefits that await those who commit to these principles wholeheartedly. By having a clear vision and purpose, you'll awaken each day with a burning desire to turn your dreams into reality. Your passion will become infectious, attracting opportunities and people who resonate with your mission. Continuous learning and adaptability will keep you at the forefront of your chosen field. You'll become a source of innovation, always ready to explore new horizons and lead the way. Work and persistence will make you resilient in the face of challenges. Your unyielding determination will inspire others and transform obstacles into stepping stones toward greatness. Financial literacy and smart investments will ensure that your wealth grows exponentially over time. You'll have the freedom to make choices based on your desires rather than your limitations. Innovation and problem solving will make you a sought-after problem solver, capable of shaping industries and impacting lives on a global scale. Having a strong network and fostering collaboration will connect you with individuals who believe in your journey. Together, you'll achieve heights that would have been unattainable on your own. Overcoming downgrades and cultivating the champion within. That the path to becoming a millionaire may seem daunting, especially when you face downgrades and setbacks. Remember, downgrades are not synonymous with defeat. Every challenge you encounter is an opportunity to rise stronger, wiser, and more determined than ever before. Embrace these moments as stepping stones toward your ultimate success. To cultivate the champion within, remind yourself of your worth and potential. Surround yourself with positive influences, mentors who believe in you, and peers who uplift you. Your attitude and mindset will play a pivotal role in your journey. Believe in your ability to overcome, and you will emerge victorious. Starts now. My young friends, the journey to becoming a millionaire begins with these 6 fundamental principles: vision, continuous learning, hard work, financial literacy, innovation, and networking. Embrace these principles as your guiding stars and let them illuminate your path to greatness. You have the advantage of time, the power of youth, and the boundless potential that resides within you. Your dreams are worth chasing, your goals worth pursuing, and your aspirations worth turning into reality. As teenagers, you stand on the cusp of a future that is waiting to be shaped by your passion, dedication, and unrelenting spirit. So, dare to dream big, commit to these principles, and embark on your journey toward becoming millionaires. The world is waiting to witness the remarkable impact you will create. Remember, the only limits that exist are the ones you place upon yourself. The time for greatness is now. Seize it with all your heart and soul.